Hi, Unbox over here. Here we have A Quiet Place, Day 1 on 4K Steelbook. It has Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. Aspect ratio is 239 and the runtime is 99 minutes. Let's take a look inside. Some glue here. These are stickers you can remove. Spine. Back side with some glue here. And here's the discs. That's the 4K disc. Dolby Vision. And the Blu-ray disc also has Dolby Atmos. Inside art. The front, back. Yes, Quiet Place, Day 1, 4K Steelbook. If you're into collecting Steelbooks, 4K Blu-rays, please subscribe. And remember to like the video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.